Welcome to my YouTube channel. For watching my more videos, search my YouTube channel name Learn with Hafsa. In this video, we will learn about the internal CSS. In the previous video, I have told you about the H1 tag and anything you can write here, like the paragraph. I am a developer, and here I will write style tag in after the head tag. You are seeing here, I am writing in the same page style tag here. I have to do some styling in the h1 tag. I will write here h1 and curly braces. I will write here color. Color is red and it will give the learn with Hafsa a color red. And now I have to do some styling with the paragraph tag. I will write here color blue and I write here size 200 px, anything I can write here and it will give a styling. Basically I want to show you how we style. You can see here it is showing the learn with Hafsa in the red color and uh, the paragraph tag which I wrote there, I am a developer, it is shown in the blue color and its size is 200 px. Thanks for watching the video. In the next video we will learn about external CSS.